We're going to add 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke to 1 cup of water. Now that seems like a lot of liquid smoke, and it is under normal conditions. But remember, these hot dogs are not going to be in this liquid smoke very long. For those folks who like to spice everything up, you can substitute the liquid smoke for your favorite hot sauce, like sriracha sauce. We'll put the hot dogs in this small ceramic dish, which is perfect because it holds just about 1 cup of water. And because we did crisscross cuts, the smoke flavor will be able to penetrate to the inside of the hot dog. We're going to drop it in this pie dish before we put it in the microwave, just in case it decides to boil over. And by the way, folks, even if you decide not to do the crisscross cuts, the smoke, or the hot sauce, the best way to cook a hot dog in a microwave is to immerse it in a little bit of water. Even if it's frozen, all you do is add some more time. With the hot dogs immersed in water, the microwave energy is absorbed partially by the water and partly by the hot dog, preventing your hot dog from looking like this. The amount of time that you put on the control depends on the power of your microwave. Mine's pretty powerful, so I only need about 1 minute and 40 seconds. You may need longer. Now, even though most hot dogs sold in the United States are already pre-cooked, it's best to bring the temperature of the hot dogs up to at least 160 degrees.